Hey guys, this quick tutorial is going to show you how to import words from a Google Doc in case you created one there first. Your words in a long Google Doc at home or here for saving later. The first thing you want to do is click and remove word cloud art. Okay. Then you have your Google Doc list right here. So go back to your Google Doc list. You're going to highlight all of them. You can select Control A to do that as well too. And then you can either right click or use Control C or right click copy to copy your words. You will go back to WordArt. You will select import. You will click on this. You will paste it, either right click paste or Control V. You will select remove common words. You will select remove numbers, and you will select import words. Remember, you want your name. If your name breaks or splits two words you want to keep together, you must delete one and then retype it back to put the word. So if you had Houston and Astros and you wanted Houston Astros together, you would need to delete either Houston or Astros and then retype it on the new line. Again, your name should be at the top, so press 10 to do that and then enter, and your name will go to the top. Select visualize to get a preview of what it might look like.